Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a hot minute, but I'm back and I'm ready to give you guys some Halloween tutorials. So today we're going to be starting off with this creepy little doll look, and we're not going to waste any time. We're just going to jump right into it. So I have already primed and moisturized my skin, and for the base for this doll look, we want to look kind of dead and kind of like corpsey, kind of a corpse vibe going on. So I mixed this shade from the Makeup Forever Flash palette. It is mostly white and green with a little bit of black to kind of make it look like all the life has been sucked out of us. And I'm just going to stipple that all over the face, and once I am done, I'm going to set it with some setting powder. I believe this is the setting powder from Fenty Beauty in the shade Lavendar, so make sure to always set your cream paints so they don't crease. Next, since we want to look kind of dead and almost demonic, we're going to be contouring with some black. So I'm just placing this in all the parts of the face that we would normally contour with. It's just a bit of a darker color than you would normally go for. And we want to have some cute little rosy doll cheeks for our look. So I'm taking this Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette, and I took that in the lightest shade on the cheeks. Next, for the eyes, I wanted to go for some kind of like blood red kind of tones for the eyes to go with the whole creepy vibe. So I just took one of the lighter reds, placed that in the crease, and then I'm taking one of the darker purples and adding that tighter into the crease to add a little bit more depth and dimension to the eye. And I'm also smoking that onto the lower lash line as well. And don't forget to highlight. Just take your favorite highlighting shade and throw that on all the high points of your face. Now for the most important part of the look, you want to look dusty and dead, like you're a doll that has been just sitting in the attic for ages. So I'm running my finger over a brush with some black water activated paint to give that really kind of speckled, like dirty, nasty kind of look to the skin. And for the lips, I decided to go with a really deep red color to go with the whole like kind of blood red tones. Then I just threw some eyebrows on. I just wanted to keep them gray to go with the whole color scheme. Next, we are adding some cracks just coming down from around the eye area. That is a classic part to a creepy doll look, is adding cracks. You can totally skip this step if you don't want to get too detailed and just throw some blood under the eyes if you want to, but the cracking effect does have a really cool look to it. And I'm also taking that under the lips as well. I'm just using a really teeny tiny paintbrush from Michaels. I love using those brushes for detailed work, and I also added some white highlights around the cracks just to make them pop even more. And now the fun part, some fake blood. You guys, this is the best fake blood that I have come across. It's from Tinsley Transfers. It's their dried blood, and it has such a good tone to it because it has kind of that rusty undertone. Some fake bloods can look too pink, but this one looks super realistic. So I'm just kind of smearing that around my mouth and making it come down from around my nose, as well as if we are a little doll that has been, you know, eating some humans or whatever. And then I'm taking that blood and I'm just dripping it down my neck as well. I feel like this just helps bring it all together, adds a really cool effect. So I'm just taking that and kind of letting it drip down my neck, and you can add as much blood as you want. You can go crazy with this. And then don't forget a super dramatic pair of false lashes to make our eyes look big and doll-like. And then that is pretty much it. I slapped on this little doll wig that I got from Party City. I also got the bow from Party City as well. And to complete the outfit, you could just wear like a cute vintagey style dress and like smear some blood all over it. I also popped some contact lenses in. I got one red one, one black one, just because I feel like it made it look extra creepy. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this doll tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next time and I'll get back to you. Bye!